A very good morning, it's Isma as usual. And I'm releasing this particular video for those that have actually worked out things and have failed, for those that have actually been trading and not yet profitable, those that have been trading and have actually failed to come up with a strategy. Here I am to unleash a secret indicator forex trading strategy that is going to help you combine both the price action, then with the help of indicators, plus also ICT. So we're comparing a lot of things here. Okay, and it's actually going to help you actually in a few bits. So this video, we're going to be actually using this very example with Australian dollar, US dollar. The strategy works with the 4-hour time frame. It works with all pairs, and it will work with only 2 indicators that will help you identify the ICT trade setups or the smart money trade setups. Then it will also help you identify the support resistance levels, that is identifying the breakouts, and also it will go further look into deep into price action. So this is how this indicator, this is how this strategy will be operating. So do not hesitate to miss out on how we're going to be actually releasing, operating this particular strategy. It's very easy and any person can use it, provided, okay, especially it's actually, I've created it especially for those that have really been trading and things really not working out. So this video is actually for you. And with that, if you haven't subscribed, please do such that you do not miss out on such content. You can also visit our other various social media platforms, that is Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and forth. So just go search for FX Kampala. You'll be in position to understand, to learn from these various social media platforms. So without any wastage of time, I'll take you directly onto the chart and we see what we're probably going to be working with and how things will do really work out. Now, this strategy, like I've told you, is going to be working with the trading view. So we're going to be working with the trading view, and we're actually going to be using 2 indicators. One is the smart money concept breakout chart prime, and then the other will be the volume based support resistance zones by Tommy F1001. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually go to the indicators and look for this indicator, which we have actually called the smart money breakout chart prime, or chart prime 1473. Okay, you select it. Once you select it, then the other one will be actually the volume based support and resistance zones, Tomidi 1001. Okay, so select those. Once you put them, first I'm going to first explain the volume based. The volume based is actually to draft for you the support resistance levels as you see in the 4-hour time frames. Okay, so it's basically drafting us the 4-hour time frame support and resistance. And of course, once we apply our smart money breakout chart prime, it will definitely show to us the breakout points. The breakout points, it will already show to you that once the market breaks, like for instance, when it comes, if you actually happen to see this resistance here of the 4-hour time frame in Australian dollar, US dollar, you realize that as the market penetrates, okay, as the market breaks this particular resistance that you actually can see here, so it's a signification that you should actually buy. So it actually, this indicator, very indicator, will show to you here that there is a breakout, and which is the purpose for this particular strategy. And then once it actually shows you that there is a breakout here, it's mandatory for you to start buying. So it's the very indicator that will actually give you the profit target, and we expect this market to continue going further with this particular profit target to this level. And also it will definitely mean that your stop loss will slightly be below here. So if we are probably to go in for this trade, you will put your buy order at this particular point, and then the profit target will be just above as the indicator shows to you. It's very simple, it's very easy, it's very user friendly. So it drafts for you the support levels and resistance levels, and it's as simple as that. So it's It's just a matter of you basically mastering and understanding this, and it will always provide you a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. It's as simple as that. Just master this, do it in your free time. It's going to be very easy, it's going to be very simple. So make sure you understand this in the way you probably give me feedback. Okay, it will be, you probably be giving me feedback. So once, wherever you actually see a buy, okay, a sell signal, buy signal, provided there is a support or resistance, or wherever there is a breakout, just make sure you just buy, you just sell with the profit target of risk reward ratio 1:2 and the stop loss. So hope you enjoy such content. I've put my my WhatsApp number on this at the beginning of this video, so please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be always in position to help you, that is with issues concerning forex, mentorship, and so on and forth. Have a